This is the problem set that accompanies the previous lecture. 1.2.1, adding whole numbers. We have 6 problems over here. I'm going to do all the work on this side of the screen since we need to write these vertically and they're given to us horizontally. So the first problem is 31 plus 67. So we write it vertically like this, and we add the ones place. 1 plus 7 is 8. And in the tens place, 3 plus 6 is 9. So the sum of 31 and 67 is 98. And the next problem, we're going to add 42 and 870. And we can write this either way. If you feel more comfortable having the big number on top, that's fine too. That's a property we're going to learn about in the third lecture of this section. But for now, I'm just going to write it as given. And we're going to add the ones place. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 4 plus 7 is 11 in the tens place. So we add 1 to the hundreds place. And 1 plus 8 is 9. So the sum of 42 and 870 is 912. In the third problem, we're adding 65 and 77. So 5 plus 7 is 12 in the ones place. We write a 2 in the ones place and carry a 1 to the tens place. 7 plus 6 is 13, and 1 more is 14. So the sum of 65 and 77 is 142. The fourth problem, 9,055 and 9,956. So adding in the ones place, 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry a 1. 5 plus 5 is 10, and 1 more is 11. Carry a 1. 9 and 1 is 10. Carry a 1. 9 and 9 is 18, and 1 more is 19. So the sum of those two numbers is 19,011. Okay, the last two are multiple numbers. Let's add 522, 523, and 527. Okay, we can see 7 and 3 is 10, and 2 more is 12. So we write 2 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. 2 plus 2 is 4, and 2 more is 6, and 1 more is 7. There's nothing to carry. 5 and 5 is 10, and 5 more is 15. So the sum of those three numbers is 1,572. And the final one here, 3,692. Notice that you don't have to write the commas. You can if it makes you feel you have to write the number correctly when you copy it, but you don't need to write the commas. All right, so here we go. We can see that 8 and 2 is 10. So when we add these three numbers, we get 10, and 2 more is 12. Carry a 1. 6 and 4 is 10. 19. 19 and 9 is 28. And 1 more is 29. Carry a 2. Here we have 6 and 2, 4. 6 and 4 is 10, and 7 is 17, and 2 more is 19. Carry a 1. 3 and 7 is 10, 13, 18, 19. Carry a 1. 1 and 7 is 8. So the sum of these two numbers is 89,992. And that concludes the lecture that covers the exercises based on the previous lecture. The next lecture, we're going to estimate sums of whole numbers. We'll see you then. Thank you for watching.